Hey guys, so I got these sound panels to help improve the quality of my speaking when I'm doing meetings and when I'm doing some content creation. I got this product to review and I've been really excited about it because this is going to help with my content creation, with helping to dampen the sound and making it sound less echoey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this on my wall here and then also install the remaining pieces on the back wall for my girlfriend's setup. It comes in a pack of 8. So what I'm going to do is put 4 panels here and then 4 panels back there as well. When I opened the package, I was really surprised at the depth of the sound panels. It's really soft, but the carved engraving is pretty deep and it looks really nice. When you have the black and the white together, it really contrasts well and it makes for a great environment, or it makes for a nice scene. So I'm going to install these now. Let's take a look. It comes with some sticky back adhesive, so I'm just going to apply this to the back of each piece. Take one off. Now I'm just going to start with the 4 corners. If I do need to use the other corners later or use the other adhesive backs later, then I'll do so. But for right now, I'm just going to put them on the 4 corners and see if that works well. I'm going to put it right there underneath the light. And then I'm just going to apply it right here. I think it's going to really help dampen my voice and help dampen any echoes as I speak into this corner a lot. All right, this is what it looks like before. And so now this is the after. It looks really awesome. I love the design. One side has a indentation and then the other side comes out of the wall. So I like how you have the options of having both. It's great on both walls, on both setups. I think she's really going to be happy and surprised about it. But I would definitely recommend checking this out. It was super easy to apply to the wall, and it's really going to help with dampening down the echoes, helping with presentations, helping with content creation, and being able so that I sound more clear during the presentation. So once again, we were given this product to review, and I would highly recommend this.